Hey everybody, Adam here and welcome back to another episode of the Dad of All Trades channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this 11-foot giant size LED Santa. If you're new to the channel, thanks for checking it out. We do a bunch of unboxings and things of different items. I've done vacuums and I've done other LED inflatables. So be sure to hit that subscribe button because you never know what's going to pop up on the channel. Now this Santa we picked up at Home Depot. It was around $70, but that's a pretty good price looking at Amazon and everything for an 11-foot Santa. So apparently it's an indoor-outdoor, air-blown inflatable, self-inflates, ground stakes and tethers included. They show you a little scale here versus a person with the 11-foot Santa. So it's definitely pretty tall, 6 foot wide. 11 feet tall, should be pretty awesome. So this is the box. It's a home accents, whatever. Nothing on this side. Here's the back side of the box. Once again, shows the scale. Actual item may vary slightly from photo. Air blown is a registered trademark. Safety warning: remove all plastic fasteners and tags. These are part of the packaging and should be discarded. Instructions: carefully remove product from the package, unfold, stand up, and zip up air-blown. Plug cord from decorative piece into wall outlet, secure tethers and stakes. So yeah, you gotta make sure these things are tied down good, especially 11 foot tall. I hope they have a little bit more than the regular little string, but we'll see. Like I said, self-inflates, ground stakes, and tethers included. So that's all the box. Now here's the top. No tape. Should open very easily. Important notice: for any missing parts, issues, manual can't solve, please call, whatever. Alright. Wow, he's in a box. Now, I've opened other inflatables in the past, and they weren't in a box. So, and I don't think he's ever going to go back into this box, just for the... His cord's a little bigger, too. Now guys, if you happen to like pocket knives, I did a review on this on my channel. Hopefully get a card up in the corner here so you can check out the review on the pocket knife. I really enjoy this pocket knife and I carry it all day, every day. Alright, so unlike some of the other smaller ones, his cord is already attached. There's no twist on or anything, which is cool. He has apparently a fuse inside of here. These are his stakes and tethers. Oh yeah, he's got some serious stakes. These stakes. And he's got some little stakes. That's a beefy stake. We might need a hammer to get those in the ground. And his tether's a little heavier duty too, which is good. Here's the instructions. It says always save these. Pretty self-explanatory. You plug them in, he blows it up. Here's a Santa, all 11 feet of them. I said he'll have to go in a tote later. He's not going back in this box. It's kind of heavy. Box is now empty. I actually doubled the box, which is kind of surprising. Pretty good packaging. Box on a box. Now, actually, we're gonna take this guy outside because he's a big one. So, guys, stay tuned. We'll take him outside, lay him out, let you see him, and then we'll work on blowing him up. So, guys, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, so we're back. We've got Santa out of the bag, and he's a little different. I'm assuming because of his size, he has a base now, and he also comes with different style stakes. Those are pretty awesome, aggressive ones, and then there's these. These normally come with them. After looking in the directions, because I assumed these held the base, these do not hold the base. These hold the base. So, these have to get staked down through here like so, through these holes. Hold the base of Santa.
You need to make sure you use all the stakes they give you,
because you don't want them blown away. So,
on all the feet, stake them down. I'm sure in the stores they just weigh them down with some weight. Like I said, make sure you don't have leaves under this thing very much.
there we go. So, he's now staked down. So, let's do the part y'all have been waiting for. Let's blow Santa up. So, I'm gonna blow him up, then I'm gonna pick up the camera so I can kind of show you him inflating. Now his plug only goes one way, so you make sure you do that correctly. Kind of hard not to. Santa does have a light, you can see it there in the middle a little bit. The big old feet blowing up. Now I don't know if he'll stand up by himself. We may have to pick him up. He's not tied down. There's no wind today. Probably don't want to set him up for the first time in the wind. I've never set up an 11-foot Santa before, but I'm sure with some wind he's difficult. There's his face. See if he'll blow that nose up. Oh, his arm fixing to blow up. There goes that arm with the candy cane. Hat just filled up. There's the nose. Now you can see he's actually pulling his stakes up a little bit. It's hard to see. The stakes are pulling out a little bit. They're not the greatest stakes. And I'm sure with a little bit of tying them down the rest of the way, maybe he won't pull on them so hard. But that's him. And he's a dang whopper. Now he's not on level ground exactly. It's not bad, but it's not level. I've got a flat spot where I'm gonna put him next to the house. So he needs to definitely be tied down because those little stakes aren't holding him. Pretty cool though. Get a different view of him. Pretty awesome. So let's work on tying him down. So y'all give me a minute. That was 3 minutes or so to inflate. So stay tuned guys. We'll get this guy staked down so we'll stand up correctly. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is take this string that they give us. They gave us 4 strings and 4 stakes. Good, strong stakes. Look like they'll hold good. So what I'll do is take my string and I will double it over and just do a simple overhand knot. Just like that. That way you got a good loop. And then what I found seems to be the best, because the clips that they give you, these little clips, are hard plastic trash, best I can tell, because this part won't even flex hardly at all. So they're not very good. What I'm going to do is put the plastic clip through his tie down point and just put the string into it. So that basically makes a loop there. Now I'm going to take the loop that I have over here that I've made myself, and I can hook it onto the stake. That way, now I can pull it to the side and really stand Santa up. And just know that, see, this is how we've done it over here. That's not in the ground all the way. That's not the permanent setup. But that's basically how I'm going to do it when I do set them up permanently and make them stand up. So like I said, I'll tie the loop in this one right here. First one I actually broke the plastic clip because it's garbage. Go over here. And with Santa here, you got to be a little more careful because his base is more permanent than the little guys. Now I have done the little ones. I did a 3.5 foot pig. And I've also done some other stuff, so go back on the channel after this video and check it out. So I just put that through there, come down here. Stake in the ground. Now this guy's big. Be able to walk under him like this. It's pretty awesome. I can't wait to blow them all up. I'm gonna make that a video too, so like I said, hit that subscribe button so you can catch it next time when we blow them all up at one time. Like I said, double it over, make a nice healthy sized loop. You don't need no little loops. Go back to this tie off point. Get them cut down in 4 spots, but raised up better too. There you have it. Let me show you the side a little bit. You got your Santa. You got 2 strings coming off his side point there. Down to a stake right there. There's another one over there. So guys, let's stand this guy up. Let me unplug them, let them go down, and then we'll stand them up. So stay tuned, guys. All right, let's plug them in and y'all enjoy. there you go, guys. That's how you do it. I appreciate y'all watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more inflatables and other random things on the Dad of All Trades channel. Like, share, subscribe, follow on Instagram, the official Dad of All Trades. Y'all know the routine, and I really appreciate it.